Yung bilang mag-asawa, hindi naman kayo kulang sa pag-uusap. Pero bakit ang pakiramdam natin hindi pa rin naiintindihan? Paano nangyayari na kahit ang dami niyo ng sinasabi, hindi pa rin tayo nagkakaintindihan?
Kaya ang title ng ating video ngayon ay The Importance of Being Understood.
Naisip nyo na ngayon, kung meron tayong mga moments o meron kayong moments bilang mag-asawa, nagsabi ka ng nararamdaman mo pero ang sagot niya, defensive siya. Nag-open up ka pero biglang nauwi sa argument. Or worse, tumigil ka na lang magsalita. Hindi dahil sa wala kang gustong sabihin, kung hindi dahil pakiramdam mo, hindi ka rin naman maintindihan.
Honesty is important in any kind of relationship. When you are being honest, you can have really connection with whoever, especially your spouse. The concern or the problem at hand is the connection. Meron ba sa inyo na tahimik yung napangasawa nyo, either si wife or si spouse, tapos yung isa naman, very expressive. Sabihin na lang natin ganun.
Pero ito yung hindi madalas na sinasabi. Being understood is not automatic. Ito ay isang art. Maring ito ay isang skill
Pwede.
na kailangan talaga natin matutunan. Being understood is also something that we need to learn. Iba yung speaking, listening, but understanding everything.
Kaya paulit-ulit, you run into circle, paulit-ulit lang yan, kaya you explain, then they react. They explain, you defend. Nobody feels understood anymore. Ganito naman ang scenario. Nagsasalita ka pa lang, kinokorek ka na kaagad. Nag-open up ka na nga, naiiyak ka na, pero hinuhusgahan ka naman. Diba? Yung mga ginajudge ka, no connection at all. Hindi talaga kayong magkakaintindihan.
Ito ang challenge para sa ating lahat. Hindi mangyayari yung mga bagay na gusto natin mangyayari.
Yeah.
Kung pareho tayong hindi marunong na matuto, hindi magbigay
Yan.
para tayo ay magkaintindihan. Understanding naman does not necessarily have to be about agreeing. It's about choosing to enter into your spouse's world. Kahit ibang perspective mo, ibang POV niya, ibang POV mo, but it's about listening. Kahit hindi tayo komportable. It's about slowing down kahit gusto mong sumagot ka agad. Let the other speak first so that maintindihan natin ang bawat isa. So let's be real. Hindi to madali. Dahil dyan sa ego na yan, may mga pain, may mga past wounds.
Yun nga po, no? You just settle na, ganito na talaga kami. Yun yung tinatawag na surface level communication. And you call that okay na.
Listen to this truth. Pwede nyo itong matutunan. It's the art of being understood. It's something that we can practice step by step.
Correct.
Conversation by conversation.
So maybe you're saying, pero nakakapagod na eh. So ano ba ang dapat gawin? And then, don't settle for guessing each other. Yung hindi mo pa sinasabi, ang hula ko, ganon. Hindi po ganon ang communication. You have to say it with the right words. At syempre, may timing din na tinatawag and then you learn the skill. Basic lang naman. So again, here we want to help couples and families also to learn how to communicate without hurting. To listen without reacting. Slowly, baby steps. And then finally, understand each other deeply. Kung ikaw po ito, we want you to type the word understood in the comment section. And please, you can also DM us or send us a message.
Now, because your marriage deserves more than conversations, it deserves real understanding. At doon nagsisimula ang tunay na connection.